We've got a few showers out there today. Another clipper system moves through northern Minnesota. A decent weekend, mild through next week, but a big drop in temperatures and maybe snow for some. The latest drought monitor is out and shows continued big improvements. Only the southeastern part of the state, Fillmore and Mower counties, have extreme drought. We have some scattered areas of severe drought still, mainly across central and north central Minnesota, but much of the metro now out of the drought. Just southwestern and southern suburbs still in the moderate drought. And this is a change from a week ago when we had a lot more extreme drought and a wider area of severe drought. Rainfall over the past 7 days helping to alleviate things even further. 2 to even 3 inches of rain across southern Minnesota last Friday, of course. Lesser amounts to the north, so that's why the northern part of the state largely unchanged. And when we look at the 6-month precipitation anomalies, still deficits for most of us, several inches even behind over the 6-month period, but enough to take us out of the drought in many areas, especially the western and easternmost parts of the state. So this latest clipper system that brought us the clouds and a few sprinkles yesterday, more showers to northern Minnesota, still lingering, some cloud cover today, but already way to the west, you can see some clouds starting to move over the Canadian Rockies. That's the next clipper system. It'll be here by tomorrow morning already because things are moving very fast aloft. We've got a very fast moving jet stream from the Pacific Northwest across Canada right into Minnesota, 150 mile per hour plus winds. So anything that's out there is getting here very quickly in this fast, active northwest flow. So still some lingering sprinkles and showers today, especially to the north and east, but really anywhere in the eastern half of the state, and that's keeping clouds largely in place as well. Western Minnesota, a little more sunshine there. And then again, that next clipper comes in, mostly affecting northeastern Minnesota. We're looking at rain showers here midday into the afternoon into western Wisconsin. Can't rule out 1 or 2 in the Twin Cities, but I think we'll stay mostly dry. But Saturday might bring still a lingering shower from that system and mix of clouds and sun over the weekend. So it's not going to be sunny, but I do think most of us will stay mostly dry Saturday and Sunday, and temperatures will be seasonable in those mid to upper 50s readings or warmer, and will be occasionally above normal heading into next week too. In fact, tomorrow mid 60s, probably on Monday too. But then here comes some cold air. We're talking about the coldest air yet this fall. 'Tis the season where every few weeks we're getting colder and colder air coming through, anywhere from 10 to 30 degrees below normal in that air mass, especially to our north and west. And an active pattern as that cooler air comes in. The first system comes late Tuesday into Wednesday, bringing some rain showers, and then another system by next weekend, our last weekend of October. And most of the models at this point do paint snow somewhere across Minnesota. But varying amounts, as you can see, and placement of that snow, favoring the northern part of the state as one might expect. But just to show how chaotic it is to try to even pinpoint snow 9 days out this early in the season, here's the American model. The last 5 model runs, look how different everything is. Anywhere from a big storm somewhere to almost nothing. So yeah, try to pinpoint anything specific at this point is really not even possible. But something we'll be watching over the next several days, that first possibility, at least, of some snowflakes somewhere in the state. Meanwhile, enjoy the mild and above normal temperatures that we have here, because that is going to change. That is looking nearly guaranteed that we will see some very cold air by the end of next week. So 50s and 60s meanwhile, and some of these occasional light rain chances, but the potential for bigger systems next week.